Welcome back to DRXAutomobi. If you've been following the Ineos story, you know they built the Grenadier to be the spiritual successor to the original analog Defender. It was tough, but it was quirky. For 2026, Ineos has officially smoothed out the rough edges. This is the 2026 Ineos Grenadier Station Wagon from the outside. It still looks like a boxy, gunny-wear tank. But look closer and you'll see the new LED headlight design and the arrival of the Black Edition, which swaps the traditional rugged look for a stealthy, inky black paint job and gloss black 8-inch alloys. It's the first time the Grenadier has looked. It's just as much at home in the city as it does in the mud. The real headline for 2026, though, is the steering revolution. Ineos finally listened to the critics and installed a new variable ratio steering box. The result? A much firmer, more precise feel on the highway that makes lane changes feel modern rather than maritime. They've also tweaked the steering stops, reducing the turning circle by 5%. It might not sound like much, but in a tight trailhead or a grocery store parking lot, that 12.8-meter turning radius is a game changer. Inside, the utility-first cabin gets a boost in comfort with an upgraded climate control system that is both faster and significantly quieter than before. Under the hood, the partnership with BMW continues. You still get that legendary 3.0-liter turbocharged inline six, either petrol or diesel paired with the bulletproof ZF 8-speed automatic. But for those who want true bespoke luxury, 2026 marks the debut of the Grenadier Detour. Limited to just 200 units worldwide, the Detour features hand-finished bridge of weir leather, a cashmere wool headliner, a choice of 7,500 custom paint colors. Whether you're kitting out a base wagon with the new short-profile safari roof racks or cruising in a Black Edition, the 2026 Grenadier proves you don't have to sacrifice modern manners to maintain old-school soul. Starting at $72,995, it's still the ultimate tool for the modern adventurer. Don't forget to like and subscribe to DRXAutomobi as we put that new variable steering to the test on the winding roads of the Alps.